Hello students, in previous class we have learned about deduction under section 80D. In today's session we will learn the next deduction, that is deduction under section 80DD. So this is a deduction is relating to a maintenance and medical treatment of dependent relative with the disability. So this is a deduction relating to maintenance and medical treatment of dependent relative with the disability. So this deduction can be claimed for individual and HUF, and any expenditure incurred for medical treatment or maintenance and medical treatment or for training and rehabilitation of a disabled dependent, then we can claim a deduction under section 80DD. So any expenditure relating to training, rehabilitation, that is in order to bring the disabled person to a normal life, any expenditure if they incurred, then we can claim that expenditure under section 80DD. Now what is this dependent relative term here? Dependent relative means in case of individual, spouse, children, sisters, brothers, parents and parents who are dependent. So we should not take self here. Self not eligible to claim deduction under section 80D. So this is a expenditure or maintenance of medical treatment of dependent relative. We have to take it. Relative, in the term relative, individual or self will not come. So spouse, children, sister, brother and parent who are dependent. Then in case of HUF, any member of HUF who are dependent we can take. Then dependent one who should not claim deduction under section 80U. So there is a one section under section 80U that is relating to the person with disability. So the one who claimed deduction under section 80U should not claim the deduction under section 80DD. Next we will see what is this dependent disability means. So here there is a dependent relative with the disability. So 80DD is relating to a maintenance or medical treatment of dependent relative. So we learnt about the dependent relative. Now with the disability, what is this disability means? Disability means blindness, low vision, leprosy cured, hearing impairment means hearing loss or retardation, or means the delay or slow development, mental retardation, mental illness, multiple disability, locomotor disability means the disability in legs or a problem with the movement of leg from one place to another. Next autism means difficulty with some people get difficulty in social interaction, so that is autism. Cerebral palsy means it is a brain injury which causes the effect on weakness in the body to move any part of a body, so that is a cerebral palsy. So any disability under this we can take as a disability. So the deduction is here, deduction rupees 75,000 in case of person with the disability. So the condition fixed amount we have to claim here. Case of person with the disability, 1,25,000 in case of person with the severe disability. So the amount of deduction, the amount of this deduction is fixed. We have to take the fixed amount irrespective of actual amount incurred. So in the question they might give the expenditure incurred for medical treatment or for training or rehabilitation of a dependent relative. We should ignore that amount. The irrespective of actual amount incurred, we have to take 75,000 as a deduction under section 80D in case of a person with the disability, 1,25,000 in case of person with the severe disability. So here person with disability means person with the disability, person with severe disability. Person with disability means the person suffering from not less than 40% of disability. Not less than 40%, that is a person with the disability means more than 40%. Person with the severe disability means the person suffering from more than 80% of disability. If it is more than 80% of disability, then severe disability. The less than and above 40% means with the disability. Next deduction is relating to 80DD section 80 DDB. So first is reduction in respect. This is a reduction in respect of self and dependent relative for specified disease. So here we can claim reduction for self as well as dependent relative. Dependent relative same here, the same whatever given here, dependent relative. Along with dependent relative we can claim for self as well. That is 80 DDB, that is for the specified disease. Then this reduction can be claimed for individual and HF. In case of individual, self, spouse, children, brother, sister and parents we can claim for the individual. In case of HF, any member of HF. So 80D deduction is relating to medical insurance premium. 80DD is relating to maintenance and medical treatment of dependent relative with disability. Dependent relative with disability. So 80DDB is relating to a medical treatment for the dependent self and dependent relative, that is for the specified disease. Clear? So this deduction, condition for deduction, in the question they will give one amount. Actually what amount is incurred for this disease, amount actually incurred, any expenditure incurred for to cure this disease, amount actually paid, or 40,000 or 1 lakh in case of senior citizen aged above 60 years, 1 lakh in case of a person aged above 60 years. If it is aged less than 60 years, then we have to take 40,000. Clear? So amount actually incurred or 40,000 or 1 lakh, whichever is less we have to take. Next, amount reimbursed or received by an employer or insurance company, insurer or insurance company. So any amount of expenditure is recovered from an insurance company, then we have to deduct from this amount. The balance is reduction under section 80 DDB. Next we will see one of the illustration under the relating to the section deduction under section 80D, 80DDD and 80DDB. So see the question. Mr. A, GTA is rupees 10 lakh. During the year he made the following payment. So some of the payments are given. First one, Mediclaim insurance premium on the health of self and family paid by check, rupees 28,000. So premium should not be made in cash. You can make by check, you can take. Then expenditure during the year on treatment of physically handicapped mother, rupees 12,000 fully received from insurance company. So this is a expenditure relating to a section 80DD, dependent relative, disability with the relative. And with the disability of dependent relative. Next, third one is expenditure incurred on medical treatment of father aged 69 years who is suffering from a specified disease. Specified disease means the reduction relating to 80 DDB. So this is certified by the doctor. So the amount incurred is 1,10,000 and the expenditure is recovered from the insurance company is 20,000. So we have to compute the total income here. So GTA is given 10 lakh rupees. So from the GTA we have to deduct the deduction under section 80. So in that only 80D, 80DB deductions informations are given. So balance is known as a total income. Compute the total income. So balance is known as total income. So medical insurance premium on the health of self and family paid by check we can take, but here self and family is given. Self and family relating to medical insurance premium under section 80D, there is a condition of maximum limit. If the age is less than 60 years for 25,000, if the age is more than 60 years, then 50,000. So this is a medical insurance premium is taken for health of self and family is given. So as they have given self and family, we have to take the age of family as well. Mother age is not given, but father age is given, aged 69 years. So maximum we can claim, aged 69 years means above 60 years, maximum we can claim 50,000. So under section 80D, this first one is a deduction relating to section 80D. So in that we can take 28,000 as a value, because maximum we can claim under this section is 50,000. 28,000 we can take. If the maximum limit is 25,000, then we can't take 28,000. We have to take 25,000 under section 80D. Next, second adjustment is expenditure during the year on treatment of physically handicapped mother, rupees 12,000 fully received from insurance company. So this is a expenditure this is adjustment relating to the section 80DD. So that is expenditure incurred on treatment of physically handicapped means disability disability, this is a mother is a dependent relative with the disability. So that is a dependent relative with the disability for medical treatment deduction under section 80dd. So that is a condition for the deduction is rupees 75,000 or 1,25,000. So rupees 25,000 in case of person with the disability, 1,25,000 in case of person severe disability. So amount of deduction is fixed here. We have to take the fixed amount. Whatever the amount is given in the question, we have to ignore and we have to take the fixed amount. So irrespective of actual amount incurred. So here in this problem they have given the incurred amount. Actually incurred is 12,000, but we have to completely ignore and we have to take the person as a person with the disability. Means mother handicapped is not a severe disability. It is not a severe disability. We have to take person with the disability and we have to take 75,000 deduction under section 80 dd. So fully received from insurance company, that is doesn't matter in the 80 dd, but it matters under 80 ddb. Next, third one is expenditure incurred on medical treatment of father aged 69 years, the senior citizen who is suffering from a specified disease. So this specified disease means it is a deduction relating to section 80 ddb certified by a doctor. The actual incurred is 1,10,000 and the expenditure is recovered from insurance company is 20,000. So here relating to 80 ddb, so that is a deduction relating to a specified disease, dependent relative or self we can take. So the father is a dependent relative. So here deduction is amount actually paid, how much actually incurred or amount paid is 1,10,000, or the father age is 69 years, means above 60 years. So we have to take 1 lakh, 1,10,000 or 1 lakh, whichever is less means 1 lakh we have to take. An amount recovered or reimbursed or received from an insurance company or from employer. Here they have given expenditure is recovered from insurance company 20,000, that we have to deduct from the amount. So we will get deduction under section 80 ddb, total deduction. Okay, now we will find out the solution. They asked they asked to compute the total income. So write the heading computation of total income. Mr. A is given, so we can take computation of total income of Mr. A. So particulars and two amount column. So GTA, gross total income. So in order to compute total income, they have given GTA value and the sum of the payments value, sum of the payment what he made. So from GTA we have to deduct the deductions whatever the payment he has been made. So we will get the total income. On this total income he has to pay income tax. So deduction under section, the gross total income given is 10 lakh. Under that we have the deductions like first one is deduction under section 80D. So deducting the deduction under section 80, under that first one deduction under section 80D. So that is relating to medical insurance premium. So the first one is medical insurance premium. So that is relating to self and family. Since the father is included in the family, so his age is given about 69 years, aged 69 years. So we have to take maximum of 28,000, because maximum limit in case of father aged 69 years is 50,000. We can take 28,000. Next, second deduction is relating to second adjustment, that is the expenditure relating to on the treatment of a dependent relative with the disability. The amount is given 12,000, but we have to take irrespective of actual amount incurred, we have to take 75,000. So deduction under section 80 DD is relating to medical treatment of dependent relative, that is a mother with the disability, handicapped. 75,000 we have to take. Next, third one is 80 DDB is relating to specified disease. So here we have to take condition actual amount incurred or 40,000 or 1 lakh. So this is a deduction relating to section under section 80 DDB, medical treatment of dependent relative. Dependent relative here given is father for specified disease. So here the father age is 69 years, so senior citizen. The as per condition we have to take 1 lakh, or actual amount given in the question is 1 lakh 10,000. whichever is less we have to take. Whichever is less means we have to take 1 lakh here, and amount received from insurance company we have to deduct. Amount received or amount recovered from an insurance company we have to deduct. So balance is 80,000. So total deduction 28,000, 75,000 plus 80,000 get 1,83,000. So from the gross total income, that is 10 lakh minus 1,83,000 will get 8,17,000 as a total income.